we're upstairs. And you have a bedroom and a bathroom right over there. That bedroom at the end of the hallway is your master. And then you have a small room right here. So it's all carpet up here. Carpet looks new. You got a ceiling fan. And a window. You can see a little bit of the water out there. You got a closet behind the door. And everything looks kosher in here. Heat comes from the floor. Wired for phone. We'll go straight across. You have a full bathroom here. Tub, shower, potty, vanity with seamless sinks. Everything looks good. So this bathroom is above the living room. A warning spot on the mirror. And another bedroom.